We doing the usual, like,
Yep, number 6.
mid-fade? Gotcha. Do you want to do the enhancements again? Did you like that?
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. Alright, YouTube, so today my client was actually unable to get to me for the past month and a half or so due to his job. They basically like had him in another location. So today we're going to do, like he said, a 6 against the grain, but I'm going to actually go with a 5 open against the grain. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. And to me, the 5 cuts better. So I'm going to go with this guard just around the ridge of his head and on the top. As you can see, his crown's real, like, flared out. It sticks up in all directions like a cowlick. Doesn't really lay down. His type of texture, it only lays down when it's very long. So he rocks, like, you know, the basic mid-fade with a sharp lineup. We actually never did enhancements on him before the last haircut. We tried it. He was like, yo, I need that. He doesn't need enhancements. I'm going to show you guys today. So I'm going to start with my 4. I kind of just debulked, and I'm going to start the fade. You guys asked me what clippers I prefer. Honestly, it doesn't matter. I use different ones depending on the texture. Maybe this one I went with the magic clips just because they go super close. Under that, I'm gonna bald it. Just the one thing about the red clippers I was using, they're sharp. Like, if you poke your client with them, like the corner of the blade, they might bleed. I'm not even gonna lie, they might bleed. So I'm gonna fade with my FX clippers. These, like, I could poke my client, he won't bleed at all. Then I'm gonna go 1 open. And his head shape, he just has the perfect head shape for this haircut. Like, want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info. Certain haircuts just fit a client's head perfectly, and this one just does. As you can see, he, you know, I drop it in the back just a bit, just to complement the back of his head. You guys got to do that. You know, a lot of clients want haircuts that won't look good on them. And yeah, you still have to do it if that's truly what they want, but at least curate it to their head shape. So if someone wants a high fade and they have a big lump on the back of their head, I'm going to tell them, look, we could do the high fade, but I'm going to drop it a bit in the back. Towards the back, it might be a mid fade, you know? That's what you gotta do as the professional. Same thing with a nail tech, a hairstylist, any industry. You gotta specifically curate it for your client. So as you can see, the fade's coming out blurry. And I appreciate all the comments. I didn't realize how many people actually listen and like the voiceovers. I enjoy doing the voiceovers. Like, I love it talking to you guys. Low key though, how many people are watching this while pooping? It is random, but comment, because I watch YouTube videos when I'm pooping. I ain't gonna hold you. That's like the main time I watch YouTube videos. I just want to know, like, where are you guys watching this? At work, school, on the toilet? What's up? Like, let me know. So on this side, we're doing the same thing. Someone commented, keep doing the same thing, don't switch up a dang thing, I think they said. And I really respect that, because, you know, this is what I wanted. Just an authentic, just video after video, authentic, you know. This isn't gonna last forever, I know it's not, but it's something I enjoy doing. I record with my phone, just prop it up. Like, I don't need all the cameras and stuff. No one needs that stuff. That, you know, if that's your niche, then yeah, do it. But the people who watch me, you guys like this. Just a haircut, a video, and I know you guys enjoy the vlogs too. Just natural stuff, like not doing too much, not trying too hard. I'm real authentic with the videos. I don't force things. Only things that may be a little unauthentic is the titles. That's it. Because you gotta exaggerate it. But whenever I put a price, I'm never lying about that. Never. I don't do that. So for the hairline, you guys may have thought I didn't have to do it, but I knew I did just because I knew the line would still be dark. It looked like I took a lot off. I was just cut. I just left. So basically, when a client's woofing, you want to avoid the hairline when you're taking the hair down with the guard at first, in my opinion, because when someone's woofing, their hair cuts differently. It cuts a tad bit shorter than how it would usually cut, just because the hair has been grown wild and it's growing out of its natural pattern. Because when you give someone a haircut week after week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, you're training their hair to grow a certain way. Hope you guys know that. Like, you're training it to grow a certain way. So then when they go 6 months without a haircut and you take the same 5 guard against the grain, it's gonna look bald because their hair hasn't been growing in the way that you trained it, because they haven't been in a while. Hope that makes sense. So for the beard, we're shaping it up. He came to me before he even ever tried a beard. He used to be clean shaven. He just tried it one day and I was like, yo, I mess with this look, keep it. He kept growing it, and this is where we're at today. I love it. It looks like a real dope look. Complements his face very well. His chin, definitely. And I think he lines his beard up at home, so we're gonna keep it pretty much there. I had to straighten it out a bit. It's a little bit crooked, but yeah, he lines it up at home. I think every man with a beard does need to groom his beard at home. I'm not saying cut your own hair, but you do gotta keep, because beards grow wild, man. Like, all my bearded clients, they always take care of their beards at home in between cuts, because it just grows so wild. Right now I'm using my enhancements. I use Tomb 45. This is actually the black color. I ran out of black and brown. And shout out Easy Blade. They're about to send me another new razor. I will be unboxing it. Using my promo code. It's on the screen. Like, I actually bang with these razors. I've tried other brands. They're cool, but this brand, the blades are very sharp. I love it. So this is his reaction. He loved it. Looks dope, as you can see. Once again, I'm just reminding you guys, this is how he came in. He was rough, but the money comes first. He had to take care of business. This is how he's leaving. Drop a like. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.